Buffer, Hootsuite, and Later. What do these platforms all have in common? They all help you schedule out your social media content in advance so that you can focus on the important parts of your business. But did you know Minvo offers a very similar feature? If you're not already familiar, Minvo is a platform that chops up your long videos like podcast episodes and creates shareable social media clips from them. And what's awesome is that you can edit your videos for social media and then schedule that content and even track analytics just like you would with a platform like Buffer or Later. Let's see how it works. So now I've already loaded in a longer form content video, and you can see that Minvo took that video and now it's giving me all of these different clips that it pulled from that content. Now when I pull up this video, you can see that Minvo already cut this clip out for me and did some editing for me using AI. But since Minvo is a video editor, if you didn't like what AI did for your video, you can manually go in and edit this entire video yourself. We have a bunch of other videos on the channel talking about how to use Minvo as an editor, so I'll put a link to several of those videos down in the description below. But the focus of this video is going to be on the social media scheduling aspect. So we're going to assume that this video is already ready to go. It's exactly how we want it, and we're ready to hit publish or schedule. So I'm going to come up to the top corner where it says export here. We have a couple different options, but I'm going to choose post to social. And this is where you can select all of the channels that you have connected. And if you don't have a channel connected, like I don't have Facebook here, we can easily click connect and connect our Facebook channel. And what's cool with Minvo that you don't get with all these other social media schedulers like Hootsuite and Buffer is that you can have an unlimited number of social media channels. That means if you have clients that you have to manage content for, you can very easily do that without having to upgrade to a higher paid subscription model. But all right, let's say we want to schedule this content to TikTok. We're going to click on TikTok on the side here, and we fill out a couple of these settings. We want it public to everybody. We want to allow comments, self, and then we can put a caption in here if we already have one, or we can get Minvo's AI to write the caption for us. So we want something trendy or funny or casual. Let's go. We'll say this is for a business channel. We want it to be more professional. And just like that, Minvo generated a caption. You can come in here and edit that caption if you want, or if you're ready to publish, you can just hit schedule to TikTok. And now here you can choose the day that you want to schedule it. So let's put this one for tomorrow. And we're going to put this at, and we're going to choose one of the recommended times. We're going to say 2:45. And then we hit schedule. And I can see down here, your moment is scheduled for July 17th. Now we can go in and we can come to YouTube as an example. Our caption stays the same. If we want to change it for YouTube, we can, but we don't have to. And then we can hit schedule. And just like before, we pick the date that we want it to go on, choose a recommended time, or you can click the time icon here and set the time yourself manually, and then click schedule. Now when we come back out to the front screen, the home page, we have this tab up here called social. This acts as your social media calendar. So you can see we have content scheduled here, and then we have this one that we just scheduled together. Then say we wanted to unschedule this for whatever reason, we can come right in here, go to full video, we have duplicate as draft, go to full video, reschedule, or unschedule. I click unschedule, and yes, cancel the post. And now it says your post has been canceled. And if we refresh this calendar, our post is no longer showing on that date. But now scheduling the content is just one piece of it. We can actually get analytics from the content as well. So after we've started publishing content to Minvo, we can come over to the side here and click view all stats. Now, this is still a very new feature from Minvo, so I've only got a couple posts that I've published through Minvo specifically, but you can see these are all of the pieces of content that I've scheduled in July so far. And you can see this content gives you analytics such as views and likes. And then we could even jump back if we had content in the previous month and see what our analytics were for those months. This allows you to keep better tabs on your content and have a better idea of how the content is serving your audience. So with Minvo helping you edit your content and allowing you to schedule and track your content across multiple channels, I don't really see the need for paying for an additional platform that schedules my content for me. If you'd like to learn more about Minvo and try it for free, I'll put a few links down in the description to show you how creating content with Minvo works, and so you can try Minvo completely free. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more social media tips.